Have you ever spoken in a meeting and felt like no one was truly listening? Or presented an idea that got overlooked only for someone else to say the same thing and get all the credit? The way you speak as a leader determines how much impact you have. Today I'll teach you how to command attention when you speak, whether in a meeting, on stage, or in daily conversation. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's chat. Welcome to the Unapologetically Authentic Leadership Channel. My name is Brooke Bernard and I am a transformational leadership coach. In my nearly 2 decades in leadership, I've learned that strong communication isn't just about what you say, it's about how you say it. A leader that speaks with confidence, clarity, and presence can influence decisions, inspire action, and build trust. Today I'll share the psychology of attention, vocal techniques, and strategies to make sure your words carry weight. Our brains are wired to pay attention to certain cues, tone variation, body language, and presence. Studies have shown that people process vocal tone 5 times faster than the words they hear, meaning how you sound is just as important as what you say. Now let's talk about the power of first impressions. It only takes 7 seconds for people to decide whether or not to listen to you. 7 seconds. Your posture, your energy, your voice in those first few moments set the tone. And now the rule of contrast. Our brains respond to change, whether it's a shift in volume, a pause, or sudden movement. Learning to use contrast in your speech keeps your audience engaged. And now we're going to talk about mastering vocal presence. First is pitch and tone. Avoid a monotone voice. It's the fastest way to lose your audience. Varying your pitch naturally, like you would in a normal conversation, makes you more engaging. Here's an exercise that might help. Record yourself reading a short paragraph, and then play it back for yourself and listen to see if there's variation. Practice exaggerating different tones. And now pauses and pacing. Silence is just as powerful as words. That's why for many therapists, it's one of their favorite tools. A well-placed pause before delivering a key point builds anticipation. Imagine saying, "This is the most important leadership skill you will ever learn, the ability to communicate with impact." Note how the pause adds weight, makes you more interested in what comes after the pause. And now volume and emphasis. Projecting your voice shows confidence, even when you don't feel it. Raising your voice or lowering it at key moments helps your message stick. And here's a practice tip. Read a short speech and emphasize different words each time. Notice how it changes the meaning. Now we're going to talk about how to capture people's attention within the first 10 seconds of your speech. Start with a question or a bold statement. What if I told you the way you speak could determine your entire career trajectory? Tell a story. People are wired for storytelling. Instead of listing facts, bring people into the moment with a story they can relate to or be excited by. Use the power of you. Engage your listener directly. Like, you might not realize it yet, but you already have the capability to captivate any room. Let's do a quick exercise to help you connect with your strongest speaking voice. I want you to find a position where you are comfortable, your back is supported, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Take another deep breath in. As you breathe in, imagine your body filling with confidence. And breathe out. Now picture yourself standing in front of an audience. Maybe it's your team, a conference room, or a large stage. You begin to speak, and instantly, the room is engaged. People are nodding, listening intently, hanging on your every word. Your voice is strong, your posture is open, and you feel completely in control. This is your natural, powerful, speaking presence. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. This confident speaker is already within you. You just need to access them. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. And gently open your eyes. If this visualization helped you, hit subscribe so we can keep refining your speaking power together. Commanding attention is not about being the loudest one in the room or being an extrovert. It's about being intentional with your voice, presence, and energy. Small adjustments in how you speak can completely transform how people listen to you. What's one vocal or speaking habit that you want to improve? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, stay true to yourself, lead with purpose, and thank you for watching.